Guys, so in this very video we would be learning about acids. Okay, so what is an acid? An acid is simply any substance that ionizes in water to produce what? Hydrogen ions as the only positive ions. Are you following? Now we have two classes of acids. We have the organic acids and the inorganic acids. Okay, so organic acids are simply acids you find in living things. Are you following? These very acids contain carbon. All right. Now, examples of these organic acids include ethanoic acid. Of course, you find that in your vinegar. All right. We have the lactic acid. You can find that in your sour milk. All right. We have the amino acid, which is found in protein, and then we have the citric acid, which you find in your what? Lemon. Are you following? So these are what? Organic acids. Now, the second class is simply inorganic acids. All right. Now, inorganic acids are simply those very mineral acids that do not contain what? Carbon. Are you following? The examples include HNO3, which is nitric acid. Are you with me? And H2SO4, which is sulfuric acid. Okay? HCl, which is what? Hydrochloric acid. So these are inorganic acids. Do you understand? Now, from the definition, we said acids actually ionize in water to produce what? Hydrogen ions as the only positive ions. Now let's check that. So when nitric acid ionizes in water, it will give us hydrogen plus, which is the hydrogen ion, plus what? NO3 minus. So the only positive ion here is the H plus. Are you following? So this is an acid. Same thing applies to sulfuric acid. We'll have 2H plus what? SO4, 2 minus, all right? So this is also an acid. So the same applies to HCl. We'll have H plus, all right, plus what? Cl minus. So all these very acids ionize in water to produce what? Hydrogen ions as the only positive ions. You can see that other ions that we have are actually what? Negatively charged. Are you following? Now, hydrogen ions do not exist freely in water. So they combine with water molecules to produce what? Hydrozonium ions. Are you following? So these are hydrozonium ions, H3O plus. So this is a hydrozonium ion. Now in this very case, okay, we can say define an acid as any substance which when dissolved in water produces hydrozonium ions as the only positive ion. You can actually check that using nitric acid. So we have HNO3, which is our nitric acid, plus H2O. In this case, what this will give us is simply H3O plus, all right, plus what? NO3 minus. In this very case, we have our hydrozonium ion, which is the only word positive ion. You can see that acids have been made simple. Of course, we have types of acids, like we have the weak and the strong acids. We have the weak acids, which are those acids that ionize, partially in water. And we have the strong acids, which ionize completely in water. In our next video, we are going to check that, all right? Meanwhile, should you have questions, should you have any commentation, should you have any comment, you can actually reach out via DM. Of course, you can use the comment box. I still remain Teacher Luka. Thank you and bye.